Okay, today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. We're at Drought Juice at 470 Forest in Plymouth. They've been having ongoing drain issues. Dan's here, pulled a toilet and did a cable of approximately 120 feet. We did have DPW stop by and give us a sewer location. We do believe that this runs through the juice store, through a mortgage company, through the La Casa Cigar Lounge, possibly goes out the cigar lounge and then out to Arbor Trail. We are going to attempt to see if we can televise out to the city main. We do currently have a centering guide on our camera. As you can see, this is cast iron piping. We may have to take the guide off. Okay, as you can see here, we're starting to hold a little bit of water. It is kind of difficult to push with the guide. We are going to currently take it off just to do an initial televise. Okay, we have located this area. This is just inside of the cigar lounge on the north wall that faces Ann Arbor Trail. We believe the sewer to go out to Ann Arbor Trail per the DPW drawing. We're currently running a sink in the juice store to see if we get flow. As you can see, the sewer at this point is wide open. The cast iron does show small amounts of scale buildup, but we do have a couple of areas that are holding water. We believe that's possibly what's causing an issue at this point. We are going to let the sink run for a little while. As you can see, we actually do have a small flow coming through the bottom. Unfortunately, we do not have the ability to put a lot of water through this drain due to the fact of the mortgage place next door and the cigar lounge are currently closed at this time due to a stay-at-home order. Okay, as you can see, we have the sink flowing, and there is a tenant upstairs that did flush the toilet once. We've put some red dye into the sink here. What we want to do is just see if we can get a flow of colored water coming through here, just to make sure of the flow. But as you can see at this point, this drain currently does look open. We do not have any water backing up either in the drain or in the toilet opening at this point. We are going to leave the camera in. We will pause, and if we do get some red coloring down, we will record it. Yes, you can. Okay, as you can see, we weren't able to get the red to come through. We are going to leave the sink run, though, as we pull back, just to try and see if we can identify the color change, possibly in the belly, in the line. Plus, we just want to check flow going through the sewer. Now, this is that vertical. That's why it's hard to see. So this is right inside.
I can see a lot of red.
As you can see here, as we've come back, you can see we're starting to pick up a little bit of the red tint from the food coloring. As you can see, the flow of water is still good. It's not covering the camera. And as you can see, as we pull back, the tint gets even deeper. We are going to continue to run water as we pull back.